Hi everyone, Natasha here. Welcome to Natasha's Healthy Living, where we are nurturing wellness naturally. And one of the ways that I like to do that is by using healthy, botanically based products from Jordan Essentials for my skincare, my bath and body products, my home care. It's something our whole family uses and I use throughout my home. And I'm always excited when I get the next Joyful Jordan box to share with you. So I'm up here in my office looking out on a sunny afternoon, although there seems to be a storm trying to brew up. So we'll see if we get any rain. And I can't wait to share it with you. So stay tuned for that and welcome to my office. Welcome back to my home. I'm so glad you're joining me today. So as I mentioned, this is the May Joyful Jordan box. If you are brand new, Joyful Jordan box is a monthly subscription and surprise box from Jordan Essentials. You don't have to subscribe, but when you do, then it's free shipping. The box is $30 and it's going to have at least $40 worth of products in it each month. And the benefit is it's always going to be exclusive items that you cannot get in our regular catalog. And when you subscribe, you're going to have a little something different each month to try. Sometimes we'll have things from the catalog, but it's in a different size, or it might be something that comes in a different scent that you can only get in the box. So it's always a really fun treat, and it's a great way to just get some good products on hand to pamper yourself and have some good skincare, but also just try things out. Plus, it makes a great gift because it's a cute little box. So I have my shopping link down below. If you're curious to check out my Jordan Essentials store, you can do that. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in to this little box of awesomeness. And this is a big deal because this collection of products has been basically on repeat every year in May for, I want to say, the last 4 or 5 years. It's been such a hit. All of my customers love it. They stock up. I stock up. Everyone wants to get more, and we usually run out by the end of the summer, so I try to order extra, but this is your tip to get your Joyful Jordan box in May because it's a great one to have on hand as you're going into the summer months. So each box will come with a card. And every month the card is different. It kind of goes with the theme of the box. It'll have either a Bible verse or a quote. This one says, "Nature becomes even more beautiful when it's shared with those you love most." And I like these little cards because they're so cute and they're great to pop into a little frame. So if you're gifting this or if you're getting it yourself, you can just have this card that rotates, and each month when you get your box, then you change out your little image that's framed on maybe your desk or in your office or in a little corner where you have your reading chair, whatever it is. And then on the back of the card, you're going to have your details about what comes in the box. It's going to tell you how to use it and some of the benefits. So it says, "Sun, fun, and summer play the bug-free natural way. Enjoy the great outdoors without battling bugs like mosquitoes, flies, ants, and spiders." Oh my. So first off, we have Bug Away Spray. So this is our exclusive collection of essential oil blended products, and they help with keeping those critters away. I love to have this little travel size, and then of course we have the full size one. This is a 4 ounce and a 1 ounce. And what is so cool is we use oil of lemon eucalyptus, which is a DEET alternative, and you can look it up. It is just as effective as DEET, but of course it's just a natural essential oil, so you don't have any exposure to harsh chemicals or anything like that for you and your family. Plus it smells great. It just has that lemon scent, lemon and eucalyptus kind of combined. And then we also have peppermint, and peppermint is another one that's really good for keeping away pests, spiders, things like that. So Bug Away Spray, it says Bug Away Spray uses nature's own repellent of oil of lemon eucalyptus to deter insects without harmful toxins. It has a clean, fresh scent and is safe for kids and around pets too. So to use it, you're just going to shake it up a little bit, spray directly onto skin and clothing or in the surrounding environment for a virtually bug-free time. So I know some moms like to spritz the top of the stroller or spritz around the outside of the stroller, so it kind of helps keep things away from their kids when they're going on a walk. I often spray my ankles and my shoes, even just walking to my mailbox. If I forget to spray, then I end up with some chiggers when I get back to the house a lot of times. Or if I'm going to go outside in my yard and work on pulling weeds and things like that, then I'll definitely give a spritz. So I typically buy 3 to 4 boxes. I'll have one of these bigger sprays that I keep at the kitchen door. And of course, like this one I said will go in my purse so that I always have one on hand. I also keep a bottle in my vehicle so that whenever we're out and about, often we'll go to the winery in the warm summer months, and it's great to have these whenever we need so that we don't have to be without our bug protection. And then I have a few like backup ones that I just keep tucked away until we run out of whatever bottle we're using. So definitely a good one to have on hand, and I'm really glad to have that back for the season, and I'm going to be stocking up again. And it just says for the 1 ounce one, keep this 1 ounce size tucked into your purse, car, or backpack for quick relief from annoying insects. And then the other item we have in here, we were out of these, so I'm really glad to get restocked on these as well. So this is our Soothing Summer Shea Stick, and it says cool and calming. Lavender, peppermint, and tea tree essential oils soothe itching and inflammation. So basically, let's say you forget to put on your bug away spray. I'm going to try to get this guy open. There we go. And you get a little bite or something, then you can use this and just apply that onto the itch. And because it's got the peppermint and the lavender and the tea tree, those all work together. So of course, lavender is soothing and helps it heal. Peppermint is cooling, so it takes away the itch. And then tea tree is antifungal and antibacterial, so it just helps it heal without getting inflamed. So if you have seen those kiddos that just scratch and scratch and scratch, this is a really nice one to have because you can just rub that on there. It takes away the itch right away. Plus, it helps it heal without getting infected. So I think these are really cool to have on hand. Plus, it's not going to spill. I like having one in my purse so that if I need something on the go, I've got it. And it just says, apply the stick to any area that needs soothing relief from itchy skin and all that comes with an active outdoor life. So you've got that. It's a beeswax base. I don't know if I mentioned that. So beeswax melts at body temperature, and then shea butter, of course, is going to melt into your skin too. So it stays a solid stick, which is again why it's not going to spill if the lid doesn't go on quite right, but then it just soaks into your skin. And after a couple of minutes, that beeswax is fully soaked in and melted into your skin, and it just feels smooth and soft and moisturized and has the added benefit of those essential oils to help with the itch relief and healing. So definitely a really good box. And like I said, don't forget to stock up. If you are looking for getting your natural bug relief products on hand this summer, then grab several so that you don't miss out. And I also grabbed a couple of other things, at least one I know that I can share. So we have, every month we have some specials. So if you wanted to see a little bit more about what the specials are each month, and I thought I'd share that with you. So let's set our bug away box aside here. And we have a customer special each month. So for the month of May, anytime you purchase $50 or more, then you're qualified to get our customer special for $5. And it's a different product each month. So for this month, this is actually one we had last year, and I'm so glad because it came back in May. It's one of my favorites. So Energy Essential Oil Blend, we have that in our catalog in 2 products. So we have Essential Oil Blend. Gotta flip to the right spot here. I think I know where it is in the catalog. Let's see if I do. Nope, I think I'm going the wrong way. Hold on. There it is. So you can get Energy in our magnesium spray and our magnesium stick, but you cannot get it in shea butter normally, except for the month of May. So this is our $5 customer special. So if you're going to grab 2 of your Joyful Jordan boxes, then you might as well grab this too. I love our shea butter. It's so moisturizing and emollient. It just makes my skin feel so smooth and soft and moisturized without feeling greasy or slick or slimy. I don't like any of that. So that's why I love our Shea Body Butter products. But then this Energy Essential Oil Blend is so good too. So it's peppermint, orange, lemon, frankincense, and eucalyptus. So you can just imagine that's got that citrus, so it's kind of bright and uplifting. Peppermint and eucalyptus are both kind of energizing and help open the airways. And then frankincense is grounding. So it's a really good combination. I keep this one at my desk and I can't wait to get a few more this month because, like I said, this has been a favorite and I was running out. So I'm so happy that it has come back as our customer special. And then something else we have, hold on, I gotta grab it here, is, so we have this bracelet. You can see I'm wearing that. Just a second, let me pull this out of my purse because I carried it with me to work. Okay, so we have this lemon ylang-ylang and lavender, lemon ylang-ylang and lavender essential oil dropper, and it comes with the bracelet with the lava beads and the pretty cultured pearl there. So we already have that duo that's in our gift catalog, but right now for the month of May, there's a special where you can get this set plus an unscented magnesium spray. So you can add your essential oils to the unscented spray if you want to, or just have that unscented spray to use by itself. But our magnesium spray is so good for quick, easy spot application, just overall application with the magnesium. I like the spray because I can spray my back where I can't reach and get that real easily. It's a nice quick way to just, get your arms, get your legs. If you're going for a run or a walk and you want to give your muscles a little bit of a boost, then that magnesium spray is a great one. And I have really been loving this essential oil blend. Of course, I've been wearing it on my bracelet. So you just put like a drop or two on the bracelet. I think I got a little more than a drop or two, but that's okay. And then what I do is I kind of spin the bracelet and rub that around, and then it lets that essential oil soak into the bracelet. Plus it's on my wrist there too. And then it can be diffused as I'm wearing the bracelet all day. But I also have been putting this in my essential oil diffuser. So I have that where I keep one in the kitchen and I also have one at work. And this lemon, ylang-ylang, and lavender combination is really nice. I've really been enjoying that. Of course, lemon is uplifting and brightening. Ylang-ylang is really good for balancing hormones. And of course, lavender is calming and soothing. So it's a really nice blend for women especially, but it's just a nice combination overall if you just wanted to have this on hand. So definitely check out, we've got some different bundles each month that they have given us as just kind of a bonus little group of items. So that's another fun one to check out, is you can get the essential oil dropper with the bracelet, especially if you're looking for some Mother's Day gift items, and then the unscented spray to go with it. So that's a really good one. And then I don't think I have, I don't have it up here to show you, but so we have our Healthy Home Cleaning Spray set. Where is that? I think I just saw it back here. Okay, so there's the bracelet. This is another combination you can get in the regular catalog, but we have this one with this special essential oil blend that's for this gift catalog, which is separate. There it is. So we have our Healthy Home Cleaning set already, and it comes with either lemon or our Resistance essential oil blend, or you can get one of each. But right now for the month of May, when you host a party, and that just means, you can say you're going to do a Facebook party, and we can do it that way where I get on there and send, some posts or messages to your friends in the Facebook group or in a Facebook Messenger chat. Everybody places their orders from your special link, and then whatever total their orders come to, you get the benefit. So like right back here, it kind of shows you that. So let's say between all your friends, they order $500 worth, then you're going to get $50 in free product. You're going to get 2 half-price items, and then you get the monthly host special. This month, it's actually a $10 special because you're going to get the whole set, this spray bottle. I got to find it back. So you're going to get the spray bottle, and instead of these concentrates, you're going to get our new Spa Day scent in concentrates, 2 little concentrate bottles, so you have that to clean with. So I'm really excited about that because Spa Day has been a real favorite. Let's see, Spa Day, it says Enjoy a spa day at home and carry the spa with you throughout the day with the beneficial essential oils of lemon and tea tree and the freshness of cucumber. So can you imagine that as a cleaning spray? Lemon and tea tree with cucumber. So I'm really excited about that. If you want to do a party where all you do is make a group chat and just send the messages out through your texting, we can do it that way. There's lots of ways to do what they would call a party, but it doesn't have to be an in-home party. So if you're interested in that, definitely drop me a message down below, or you can find me on Facebook. Go to my website, natashashealthyliving.com. Send me a message through there. Lots of ways to get in touch with me. But I hope you enjoyed getting to see not only the May Joyful Jordan box and how awesome that is, and some of the new specials that we have for the month of May as well. And as always, if you have questions, just leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.